and today I got my fidget toys from Amazon. So first we're gonna open this one because it's not in the box.
Okay, let's see all the Poppins.
These are Poppets. I have 3 of them.
Why is it so tiny? It's so big on the Amazon shop.
Okay. I think there's tape or something.
It's like a baby.
Oh, we need scissors. Go, Julian, go find scissors.
I got it.
I think there's tape. I think this is tape. These things are squishy. Oh, I got it. It'll be easier with scissors. But these are like one of the toys that I really wanted right now. So a few scissors.
So we have to pop it. I don't know.
Now we're gonna show you how it works.
Yeah, you guys
I
need
want
to
the
share.
red Poppin. So it was so bigger than the red Poppin.
Oh crap! It didn't. It didn't work.
Oh my god!
Oh, this is
I think we need better scissors. I don't know.
Julian by the computer there,
No.
by drawers, mommy's drawer over there. Remember?
It's not good scissors.
Yeah, I opened it and I got me to have your own little package.
Give me it. Give me it.
Now to skip a little bit again. Okay, we're gonna open this one.
Open the red one.
These are easy to open. Okay, Julian, open your poppet. Oh, this poppet seems really good.
I need the scissors.
Okay.
Help him.
Oh,
Jaden.
okay.
I'm not even showing them.
Okay, show them how to use a poppet.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, okay.
What are you
This is
guys
how
doing?
you use a Poppin.
Pop the bubble.
Oh,
Looks like this. I think this is the not loud side because it's not really loud. And apparently they have 2 sides. Two sides.
It comes back.
okay. What's next?
Okay. Yeah, this is the loud side. Okay, now we're gonna show the purple poppet, which is the square poppet. Which is probably our biggest poppet with the most bubbles.
Oh no, honey. My bubbles are coming back.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm
Oh
not
my
sure.
God.
I think you have to hold it down for a little bit, then they'll actually stay popped.
Then look, you could do this on the back. Do.
Okay, we're about to open a big fidget pack. Okay, there we go. We have our poppets. We're gonna show the poppets to the screen. Then we have this big box. I don't know how to open it.
This is more tinier because I'll come back. Keep coming back because it doesn't even make any noise. Okay, I can
What color is that one? Julian. What color that one? Huh?
I like the purple one more better than the red.
Then the red? Where's Jaden?
Okay, move. Okay, I found the open button. I think it's an open button.
Okay, sit down. Maybe.
It's all pop.
Okay, good. Stop playing. We might have to go. Okay, so we opened the box and we got a pea popper.
Pea popper?
I want the squish ball.
It's a little pea popper. Oh, Julian.
It's okay.
Then we got a basketball. We already have one of these.
Yeah.
Look, Julian, remember that? Then we got a football.
Yeah.
We
Again.
got 4 mochis. Another one here. Oh, here's my favorite. I'm gonna open it later. We got a
Yeah.
squish ball.
Yeah.
It's a great ball. That's what they call it on
You guys like it?
Oh wait.
Let me try it.
Wait, look, it does.
Wait.
And then we have a water timer. We're not gonna open this.
I actually want this ball.
Fast.
Well, what is that?
Monkey noodles.
Ew. I can't see you. Your head is...
Stretchy.
No, your head is cut up. I don't know why you stand up.
It's like these are like stretchy strings.
Jane, we have
A bite chain.
oh, come on, Jane. Show it.
A Rubik's cube.
It's in a bag.
We got some slime.
It's a slime.
Bite chain. Let's open.
Last squish ball.
And we got a
Last-
squish ball.
This one
Put it
turns
down.
to,
Put it down.
this one, oh my god, it turns to rainbow. And
This one's better than the other one, I think. Okay, that's all we got. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Love you guys. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Bye. Like and subscribe to my mom and share and thumbs up and like and subscribe and hit the bell and notifications and